One of the other things that's nice with Excel is I don't always want to write a formula. I just need a quick total. And one of the ways to do that is just to highlight your cells. So in this case, I'm going to look at units sold, and I'm just going to click on column H to highlight the entire column. And then you can go down here in the bottom right corner, and it's going to show you the sum of the values in that column. So as long as they're formatted as numbers, which these are, it's going to give me a sum for that column without my needing to write a formula. It also gives a count if you ever need that, and an average. So maybe I want to know the average I earn per book. Okay. Some of these are not in US dollars, so there's some very big number in there that's messing that up. But again, you can just see the average without having to write that formula. And count, I believe, count will work on non-numeric fields as well. So you can get a count of basically any entry in here. And if you want, let's go back to a numeric value. If you want min or max, right-click in that little section there, and you can come up here and do numerical count, minimum, and maximum to add those to the bar down there. So now I'm getting min and max as well. So that crazy royalty, one of them was $118. Trust me, I don't get $118 on any of my books. So that's probably in Indian rupees. But if you don't want one of these, you can also come back and click to turn it back off. By default, you're going to have average, count, and sum for any numeric values.